In this video, I'm going to teach you how to complete the square to find the vertex of this equation right here. Okay, so if we want to find the vertex of a quadratic, we're going to put it in vertex form. So vertex form looks like this, where h and k are the vertex. So we want to make our equation look like this one right here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move the number term over. So I'm going to add 17 to both sides. So I get y plus 17 equals negative 3x squared plus 12x. All right, so I want just x squared because that'll make completing the square much easier. So y plus 17 equals, I can divide all of these by negative 3. Negative 3 times x squared minus 4x. All right, so to complete the square, here's your, they call it your b term because you have ax squared plus bx plus c. So we take this number, whatever it is, you divide it by 2 and you square it. So b over 2 squared. So in our case, that would be negative 4 over 2 squared. So you would get negative 2 squared, which is 4. So we're going to add that in, negative 3 x squared minus 4x, plus 4. On this side, so whatever you do to one side of an equation, you have to do to the other. So we have y plus 17 plus, we can't forget we have a negative 3, so negative 3 times 4. So on this side, x squared minus 4x plus 4, that is equivalent to x minus 2 minus 2. So we know we're on the right track because we want something squared, right? X minus h squared, so here we're going to have something squared. Over here, I'm going to simplify a little. Y plus 17 minus 12. All right, let's move this down a little. All right, so now we get y plus 5 equals negative 3 times x minus 2 squared. If you look up at the vertex formula, we want it to look like this, right? So we want y by itself. So we're going to move this 5 over. So subtract 5 from both sides. Negative 3 times x minus 2 squared minus 5. And now it looks like vertex form. So that means that our vertex is h, k. So there's our answer. Our vertex is 2, negative 5.